Currently, there are many rumors about the 799cc sport bike equipped with the parallel twin engine of Suzuki company about to be launched. In motorcycle magazines, it is reported that Suzuki is about to launch a GSX-8R equipped with a two-cylinder engine based on the GSX-8R naked bike model. It seems that Suzuki company launched this brand new GSX-8R model with the aim of replacing the outdated GSX-R600 and GSX-R700 models compared to competitors. News about Suzuki's new sport bike model about to be launched is possible because usually motorcycle companies launch two versions of sport bike and naked bike. The race for two-cylinder sport motorcycles is very hot. The first is that the Yamaha company discontinued the YZF-R6 model and introduced the Yamaha YZF-R7. Besides, Honda and Kawasaki also have many moves to launch new sports motorcycles equipped with their two-cylinder engines. Honda CBR750R and Ninja ZX-700R are said to be equipped with a two-cylinder engine will be released in 2024. It seems that motorcycle companies are rapidly phasing out four-cylinder engines. Instead, new Euro 5 emission-friendly two-cylinder engines will be replaced. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you and see you.